Alright, so look what I got here. So Makita Power Head. So basically, this is a, the control end, battery end of the cordless what they call it, the cordless weed whacker. So this right here, in this little bag there. Let's see what's in here. Okay. So I'm basically going away from all my corded tools, so I'm moving over to cordless. So this is a shoulder strap. That's a shoulder strap. It has a little rubber shoulder pad part right here. So that's the shoulder strap. Oh, that's the handle, the forward handle. All right, forward handle. Oh, they give you little safety glasses. These are the generic type that goes over prescription glasses even. That's cool. Look at, they gave you safety glasses. The little hardware. It looks like a little throttle. Some type of little throttle right here. I think that goes on the handle right here. Like this, I think. So I'm not sure what this is for. Maybe it's just there to have an extra handhold, possibly. Alright, the head unit itself. So there's this, and this is where your tools will plug in. Right, so it has a little quick release thing right here, clamp, with a little button here as well. This right here, I have no idea what this is. Looks like it's just sitting there in the middle of anything. Another side over here too. Oh, this is where the handle comes in, I think, right here. So I think it attaches to this piece, maybe. Yeah, I think it attaches to this, the handle. Let's look at this other end over here. This is the trigger end, so you can obviously the trigger is locked. You have to push down here, then you can squeeze the trigger. Various speed, power, or even has a reverse. Is that a reverse? No, that's not right. It says R. But anyways, I'll figure it out later. And here's the motor and the battery slot. This by itself is pretty light. It's not too heavy. It's pretty light. Battery slots. Obviously, you put the two 18-volt batteries in there. So I actually have my 18-volt. This is the tool only. I didn't buy it with the batteries or nothing. So I have my little two 18-volt batteries. These are the 5 amps. 5 amp batteries. Put those in. So now it has a good amount of weight in the back. But once you attach your head, it'll be a little bit better balance. Let's look at that. This side. So look at that head side right here. So this is the weed whacker head, if you will. So there it is. Comes with a little guard, right? So that none of the debris flies at you. Just a string cutter right here. So shit won't fly at you. This little tool, wow, that thing is big. Holy shit, that thing is huge. Looks almost like a spark plug tool. I wonder if it is. No, it can't be a spark plug tool. Well, no. I think that's the tool for this right here, for the head. But man, it looks like a spark plug tool. Yep, there it goes for that. And here's the stringer head. And this one, I believe you don't need a nut on the head itself right here. If you attach this thing, I believe. Oh, it has some strings in it already. Let's see. Yeah, because this one already has a nut in it, so you don't need that nut. Yeah, like so. So again, I've never used this thing before, so I'm not sure how it all comes together, but you know, it comes together. It's that part. It's not moving. I think you need to connect this thing first to be able to unscrew that. But anyways, so here's my head. Inside this, so it's a spline. It's a steel shaft and a spline. I can see the splines right there. Obviously it plugs into the other end. Actually, let's do that. Let's plug it in. Let's see how it works. Oh. So it goes in like so. Like that. And that's it. So this will detach that. And let me cinch this thing down. Which way is it cinched down? Oh, this way. Cinch this down so that doesn't move. Right, like that. And this head end here, need to connect that. Oh, this thing is long. Very, very long. This end is like so. Something like that, I believe. Now this thing doesn't move, so it's like, that's not right. Oh! Why doesn't this thing move? It should be like this. Oh, you know what? It's like, you know. Oh, it's like, oh, that's, here it goes, like this. There it goes. That's the way it is. I don't give you any Allen wrenches. Oh, here they do. It's in the other box. I should actually Loctite this down. So the vibration is gonna, over time, it's gonna loosen from the vibration. It's just not finger tight for now. Just see how it feels. The weight, how the weight feels. Oops. It's finger tight. That's good enough. This one, I need to figure out how to take this off. Oh, you know what? I was spinning it the wrong way. This thing spins. How do you lock this thing? There should be something that locks this. Oh, there it is. I see a little pinhole right there. So, let's use the tool. We'll use the Allen key. There's the Allen key. This little hole right here in the head. And if I spin this around, I can actually see where the head actually meets, I think, where it prevents this thing from spinning. So this is actually spinning the opposite, so it's righty-loosey instead of righty-tighty. There we go. So lefty tighty on this one, so it's a reverse thread. Alright, reverse thread. I guess you just do this, that's it. Didn't need a, that's it. Don't need to do nothing else. Because all by hand, like so. Alright, so everything's on. Well, except for the handle. I think that one is right here on this piece, I believe. Let's see. Something. No? Is that that? No, this maybe? Yeah, looks like. Seems like the most logic spots right here. Look at the picture. See, the picture shows. Yeah, the picture shows that. That's right here. Let me move, does it? This thing doesn't spin. Yeah, this thing doesn't spin. So it's like that. Then. Okay, what's the bottom end then? What's the bottom end? Oh yeah, this does have a slot. This has a slot. Oops. Screws there. Slot is actually on this side. The other side didn't have it. Actually, it's like that. Okay. So it's actually like this then. Like that. So this has two slots on both sides. This little nub here. This little nipple. Nub, nipple, whatever you want to call it. So it's like this. Is that right? Like that. And this is on this side from the top. This is one of those awkward. It's one of those things where it fits awkwardly. Where the tool is like in the way, so you only use it halfway. So I should Loctite this one down too. Just again, it has to do with the vibrations. But I'm just gonna just do a finger tight real quick, just for the demo here. Just so I can feel the weight of it. That's good enough. That's good enough for now. I just want to feel the weight, like I said. I don't have a Phillips with me, so let's leave it like that for now. Let me feel the weight. Whoa, the back still feels heavy. Let's see. Man, this thing is long. Holy cow, I didn't realize this thing was so long. So, like so. Actually, it feels, with both hands on like this, it feels pretty balanced. Let's see, where's the center of gravity? It seems like it's about, no, it's still back heavy there. This thing slides and moves. Oh, this is the little ring hook for your, for the shoulder strap. Where's the back end ring hook? Is it only one mount? Oh, it looks like it's only one mount. Yeah, so it looks like it's only a one mount, one point sling. Kind of like a tactical sling. So the center of balance is probably right here. So now it's front heavy, still front heavy. So somewhere along here or so is the center point. So your hand here and here is about the same distance apart. So you, for the most part, this is the balance point right there. So actually holding it by itself is heavy, but when you hold it where it's balanced, it actually feels swinging around. So it feels light, or it feels light compared to my plug-in, corded weed whacker. because the quarter wheat rocket that I have, it's literally only, I think if you hold it at the handle, it's literally only like that long. It's very short. But that thing is the motor is in the head, so all the weight's in the front. So when I'm holding it, like even though it's real short, like you know, a little bit longer than half of this length, it feels really heavy because it's all the weight's up and on the head. Well, there's no weight back here at the controls, but this one the weight's right here, center. So it actually feels really light. And because this is the center, and just swinging it like so, you know, swinging at the center. Pivoting at the center, so the front end and this end, it kind of counterbalances itself. So that feels good. Now let's turn it on. It's plugged in. Let's turn it on. I don't tell me my batteries are dead. My battery's dead? No, it can't be dead. But these batteries will charge. I guess my battery is dead. I don't see nothing. I don't see no power on here. I guess I need to charge my batteries. The last time I used these batteries was a couple months ago. I could have swore I charged them. Let's see. Let's punch this. No, it's full. That's full. That's full. Okay, they're both full. I'm missing something. You need to hold it down. Oh, there it goes. You have to hold it down. Hold it down. So that this is the on-off button. It's also the speed button. Slow, medium, fast. Slow, medium, fast. Take this right here. I'm not sure what that is. Let me look at the instructions, see what this is. It looks like it's a reverse spinning. Let's see the slow speed. That's pretty quick still. Medium, a little faster, it's even faster. So from my perspective, this thing is spinning counterclockwise. Let's push this and see which way it spins. Okay, it is a reverse. So this is a reverse right here. That's what I thought. R for reverse. That's it. Very smooth. You can hear it. So no need for hearing protection, right? Unlike a gas-powered one. And you don't have to worry about all that smoke too. So no worry about hearing, no worry about inhaling two-stroke smoke, right? All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, still pretty, even though without, even with its balance, it's still a pretty good amount of weight. This thing is probably, I don't know, at least 10 pounds. With the batteries, it's probably at least 10 pounds. Maybe more, maybe closer to 15 pounds maybe. So still a good amount of weight there. Alright, thanks for watching.